Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. I'm half dressed because I'm here to show you guys something that has absolutely changed my life. It is body blur makeup. This is not sponsored. I purchased all of these items, but it is incredible and I cannot wait to share more and show you how this stuff works. So if you struggle with less than perfect skin, if you really avoid wearing things like sleeveless dresses, tank tops, and shorts because of your skin, you want to watch this video. You definitely want to watch this video. I've always had less than great skin. My face is one thing. I've been very blessed to have good skin on my face, but the rest of my body has not matched up to my face. I have incredibly uneven skin tone. I have redness. Now I have this makeup all over my body right now. I will show you what it looks like without in just a little bit, but I have really red, bumpy skin on the back of my arms. I always have. And my legs, I've got broken capillaries and varicose veins and just incredibly uneven skin tone. And for years, I have avoided wearing shorts, skirts that didn't cover my calves, sleeveless shirts, tank tops, because I cannot stand my skin. But I have discovered body makeup and it has made all the difference. The product I'm going to show you today is this right here. It's Vita Liberata Body Blur Body Makeup. I just purchased this off of Amazon, and what has really made a difference is a brush. Applying it with a brush. This one is Isle of Paradise, and it's a body brush. I will link everything in the description. I just purchased these on Amazon, but this stuff is absolutely incredible. The color I have right now is, I believe it's medium. Yeah, this is the color medium. They have lots of colors. They've got like kind of an ivory color. They've got light, they've got like a little bit darker, they've got medium tan, they have tons of colors. I like to use this in the summer when I have a little bit of a tan, and I usually use self-tanner before I put this on because the medium is just a little dark for my skin otherwise, but it blends out beautifully and I am able to wear all of the clothes that I haven't been able to wear because this stuff helps my legs and my arms so much. I'm going to demonstrate it for you here just a little bit, but if you're struggling, I strongly encourage you to consider getting a product like this. There are lots of other brands on the market. Who knows which one will work best for you or what color? And I have found that once this dries down, it doesn't transfer onto your clothes. So I can wear light colored clothes once this is on, and it's not going to get on the clothes. So I really appreciate that about this product. But let's take a look at how it works. And I really cannot recommend this strongly enough. Okay, my amateur camera skills are not going to do this justice. This is the side that's been done. You can see there's still a little bit of redness there. It certainly doesn't get rid of every skin imperfection, but look at that side. It's just so blotchy and uneven, and this side's way more even toned, as you can see. So let me show you how I put it on. I just add some to the brush. I absolutely love this brush. And then I just start blending it. I'll do some long strokes in the beginning, and then I'll kind of do more kind of rubbing it in. And I'll just keep adding. I especially love how it works on the underside. It kind of helps to minimize the look of, you know, the wrinkly skin where your fat is, if you have some like I do. And then I go all over my arms. Now you can see this is really a dark color in the beginning, but it blends out really great with my skin tone. I usually make sure to add, and then when I get to my hands, I don't add fresh stuff. I want to make sure it's really kind of rubbed off onto the rest, and then I'll gently pull it down onto my wrists And that works really well so that it's even and it's not blotchy on my wrists. Same with sort of the elbow. I get the elbow with leftover. You can really see that I may have lost weight, but I got some to go. And I just keep going until I feel like I've got the coverage I'm looking for. I go a little bit gentler right here because it kind of pulls on my skin just slightly. This brush though is so soft. I absolutely love this brush. I have a little bit of trouble reaching back here, so if I don't typically wear clothes that show much of this. I just have this on for the purposes of this video, but if I were to need more coverage where I can't reach it, I would ask my husband to help me. Just kind of it gives just this nice glow. It evens out the skin tone. It makes a huge difference on my arms and my legs. And now I can wear tank tops with confidence. Skin's just a little bit redder than it will be because I'm rubbing on it, but I promise you guys, this makes a huge difference. That's it, everyone. I hope that this helped. I hope that this will give you some ideas of some things that you can do so that you're not constantly hiding behind clothes and you can wear some of the styles that you really want to wear. Like I said, there are lots of different brands on the market. This one has worked great for me. You may not like this one. You may have to try another brand. And so I think the key is finding the color and the texture that works for you and your skin and what you're trying to just cover up, and using a brush. I have tried products like this in the past using my hands and they didn't work for me. Not to mention, it took me forever to get it off my hands, but I just couldn't get the coverage and the spread that I needed until I discovered this brush. There are other brushes on the market as well. I've purchased a few others to give it to try, but I really like the size of this one. The other ones I found aren't this big. I did find one that was like double or triple the price of this, and I wasn't willing to pay that. But give it a shot. If you're struggling, you can try this, you can try another product. I do highly recommend using a brush though. And I just hope that if you've been struggling, this will open up doors for you like it has for me. What's the worst that can happen, right? You try it and you don't like it, it doesn't work as well as you had hoped. You may be out a little bit of money, but at least now you'll know. I just hate that we feel like we have to hide our flaws and the things that we don't like about us. That's for another video, but in the meantime, there are just some things that we can't overcome on our own. Hair and why many of us wear wigs is one of them, and skin tone is another. I really hope this helped, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you in my next video.